Hey guys, this is Anthony here with All Around Topics. Today I want to talk about how you can make a very good meal replacement or weight gainer if you're somebody that's underweight and it's hard for you to pretty much gain weight. This is an excellent way to create a meal replacement without having to actually order or purchase a meal replacement from a manufacturer that usually come with a whole lot of sugar. You know, that would create belly fat, can create diabetes, all kind of crazy stuff. So basically, take a look at this and this is how it's done. So basically what you want to do first is you want to gather all your products. Right here I have some oatmeal. Oatmeal is 100 calories per packet. Then you have, I like ice cream in mine, so what I do is I get the Oreo ice cream. It's 130 calories for a half cup. I also have some Skippy peanut butter, which is 180 calories for every 2 teaspoons. And I have some whey protein, and I think this is about 110 calories per scoop. And we have some bananas and. So as you can see, it's pretty easy to quickly build up your calories and put together a good meal. What I do first is I get some milk. I have 2% milk. I like to use 2%. It's 120 calories per cup. So I'm going to pretty much eyeball it. So what you want to do is you put about 8 ounces or so. Put 8 ounces of milk. And then what you want to do after that, you add this packet. Add the packet of oatmeal. And then what I do after that is take my spoon and I take about this much ice cream. I just eyeball it pretty much. And then I'll take a banana. You can also add blueberries if you want, strawberries, whatever you like. It's totally up to you. I did blueberries yesterday, so today I'm going to just do a banana just to have a different type of taste today. So I want to do something different. So here's my banana. And then I'm going to go for my protein. So as you can see, man, you don't really have to like order this stuff because a lot of that stuff that comes from the manufacturer, these weight gainers, they have a lot of sugar in it. So I'm putting 1 scoop of the protein. And then what I do after that is I pretty much get the peanut butter, take about maybe 1 or 2 scoops. I love the peanut butter in it, man. It tastes really, really good. And after you do that, you put your lid on. And just let it rip, man. Seems like it's all done. Man, that looks good. See? Man, nice and thick. And then I have my cup here. My blender bottle. Just pour it in here. And I'm telling you, man, this will hold you down. You immediately, it goes like right to your body, man. It just feels, you get strength immediately. Like you start feeling, you know, you're not lightheaded anymore. You have all kind of nutrients, man. And it's crazy because if you add it up, we're gonna do the addition really quickly. Okay, so now, I mean, I'm pretty good with math, but I'm gonna get my trusty calculator just to add up pretty much how much we got in here. So the oatmeal is pretty much, I believe, 100 calories. So 100 plus the 8 ounces of milk, that's 120. Let's see. So you have 100 plus 120 plus, let's see, the ice cream was 130 plus a banana, let's say 100 calories for the banana. That's for a large banana. So 100. And what else? And then the protein. Plus, let's see, 110. Because it was 1 scoop. Plus 180. That's 740 calories that we're drinking right now. So it gives you a jump start in your day. You're not loaded with all kind of sugar like these people put in it when they send it from the manufacturers, you know? You just, it's a healthy meal. So you see, it's not hard to make a meal replacement. You just got to use things that's around your home, affordable things, and just get creative with it. Sooner or later, you'll know what you like. You'll start experimenting with taste and consistencies, and you can even add more or take away. It all depends on what you want to do. But this is Anthony here with All Around Topics. If this video was very helpful to you, please like, comment, or subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get all my videos. Thanks.